Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove unwanted object from image using AI on Windows. So let's get started. So firstly open Google Chrome. Here you will search for Snap Edit. Open the first one. Scroll down. Here you will see get started for free. Get started for free. Here we will choose new image to remove object, like I am choosing this image. Now here you will see three options: this magic eraser, lasso tool and brush size. We'll choose magic eraser. Now I want to remove these clouds from the image. Click on remove. Here you will see the clouds are removed. Will once more again click on remove and you will see removed will be successfully. Also you can adjust the image from there, like enhance the image, lines, adding lines, then click on download to download the image. Here you will see download the image. It will be downloaded successfully, and that's it. So that's how you can easily remove an object using AI on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.